Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Cash App transactions history. Alright, so let's begin. If you're looking to remove your transaction history for any specific reason, I'm going to walk you through exactly how this works, so make sure you watch until the end. First, go ahead and open the Cash app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. After tapping it, you'll see a list of different settings. From here, scroll down and tap on support. Next, tap on account and settings and you'll be taken to a new page. On this screen, scroll all the way and under contact us section tap on chat. This will take you to the Cash App support chat. Here, you just need to tell them that you want to delete your transaction history and they will guide you through the process. Cash App support may ask you to provide a reason for deleting your transactions, and in some cases they might request screenshots or additional verification. Simply explain that you want your transaction history deleted and provide any information they ask for. Once you've completed these steps, Cash App's support team will handle the rest for you and proceed with deleting the requested information, and that's it. So that's basically how you can delete Cash App transactions history. So that's all for this video.